A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start lesson number 9. As you all know that, what are decimal numbers? Decimal numbers are special fraction which are having denominator as 10, 100, 1000, etc. And operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Means today we will learn how to operate decimal numbers. Clear? So let's start with it. First of all, students, we will learn this thing with the help of a example. See, here I have taken one circle and I have divided the circle in 10 equal parts, out of which 3 are shaded green, 4 are shaded red. So total number of shaded part are 7. How it come? Number of shaded green is 3 out of total. Total are 10. So I will write it as 3/10. As you all know that when 10 come in denominator, we will consider it as 3/10 in words if I want to write. And 4 are shaded red part, so it will be 4/10. Clear? So total part will be 7/10, means shaded part I am talking about. Clear? So how I have plus it? Firstly, as you all know that 3/10, if it is written, means it is a fraction form. If I want to write this fraction form in a decimal form, how can I write? Down 3/10 means if you see 3/10, down there is 1 0. It means that decimal will be come after one number. If we want to put a decimal, we have to see from the back side. So it will be 0.3 plus 4/10. It can be written as 0.4. And if I want to plus it, answer will come 0.7. Clear? Now, there are some rules for doing addition and subtraction. Clear? Already I shown you how we add it. Now I will tell you the rule of it. First of all, first rule is that you have to convert a unlike decimal numbers into a like decimal number. This is the first rule. Then you have to line up the decimal and fill in any empty place with 0. Means what I said, first point is telling the same thing, that you have to convert unlike decimal numbers into a like decimal numbers. Clear? Then you have to line up. Line up means you have to arrange the numbers vertically with decimal point in one line. Clear? Then you have to add or subtract digit in the same place value position. Clear? And bring decimal straight down in the answer, as I already told you. Clear? Now this thing will be more clear when you understand this one example. Firstly, you see here that in first part I have put 0 and in last part also I put a 0. Means I have converted this unlike decimals into a like decimal by putting 0 in that number which is having less digit after decimal. Means first of all we see how many digit first number is having. It is having 2 digit after decimal. It is having 3 digits after decimal. It is having 1. It means maximum digit this one number is having, that is 3. So I have to put in other number 2 or 1 0 so that that number will also have same 3 digit after decimal. So first is having 2 digit after decimal, so I put 1 0 here. Last digit having only one number, so I will put 2 zeros. Clear? After putting it, I will line up the numbers in vertical order with decimal point in the same position. Clear? Then I will add it. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 0 plus is 8. 3 plus 9 plus 1 is 13. So 1 will go as a carry on another number. 2 plus 1 is 4. And 1 will be carry as it is. Clear? Now, on the behalf of this, we will do activity 1. In activity 1, first question is find the sum in each of the following. First of all, see this question. This question is having two numbers and both the number are like or unlike. Both are like decimals numbers. Why so? Because after decimal it is having one digit. After decimal, this number is also having one digit. So no need to convert it in a like decimal because it is already in like decimal. So what we do, we will plus them. So see how we plus them. Now decimal will come down of decimal only. Clear? Then we will plus them. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we put 5 down of it. Then put decimal there. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. So answer will be 9.5. Clear? Now we do B part. Again B part, see. After decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits. It means it is again in decimal form. Means they are like. So we will write it like this. 2.478.28, then plus them. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 will go up. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10. We will not put 1 to another number because there is no number. So we will plus it and answer will come 10.75. Clear, students? Now we do C part. It is having 3 numbers and we have to see first number is having 1 digit after decimal. It is having 3 digit after decimal. It is having 2 digit after decimal. So what I do, firstly I converted it in a like decimal. How? We will put a same digits after decimal. It is having 1 digit, so I put 2 zeros here. It is having 3 digits, so we will not put zeros here. It is having 3 digits, so we will not put 2 zeros, we will put only 1 zero. Clear? So see how we do. After putting the 0, we will add it because all the numbers we have to plus. So firstly we write 325.800. Clear? Now 89, we will not start from here. Firstly put a decimal here. After decimal there are 3 digits, so you write it firstly here. And when you write the digit in the left hand side, firstly you have to write the extreme position number, that is 9, down of 5, then 8 after it. Clear? Now after this we put a decimal down, 780, and this 0 will come next to a decimal, means extreme position of left. And then we plus them. So if you plus it, 0 plus 7 plus 0 is 7. Clear? Then 9 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 will go up as it is. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 as it is. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer will be 415.677. Clear? Now we do D part. Again it is having 1 digit, then 2, then 3, then 2. It means we have to put 2 zeros in the first number, 0 in the second, third is fine, and last we put 1 0. Clear? Then we will add it. So 153.600. Clear? Then 96.870. Then 8.974. Then 0.130. Plus them. First is 4 because 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. Then 7 plus 7 plus 3. Answer will come 17 because 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Clear? Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 plus 6 is 19 plus 6 is how much it is? 19 plus 6 is 25. So 5 we will write here and 2 will go on next number. Then decimal. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. So 1 will go as it is on next number. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 1 will go as it is on next number. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer will be 259.574. Clear? Now student, we will do subtraction. In subtraction, firstly, first number is 0.55, then written from. As you all know that whenever we do subtraction, firstly we take the number which is after from, always. But for doing subtraction, firstly we will check are these number are in like decimal or not. No. So firstly we convert in a like decimal, means after decimal there are 2 digits, so there should be a 2 digit. After doing this, what I have to do, we will minus them. So for minus, firstly we write the number which is after from. Clear? So 1.70 down 0.55 minus it. From 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we take from say 7, it becomes 6 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So answer is 1.15. Clear? Now we do B part. Again, first number is having 1 digit after decimal, it is having 2 digits. So what I do, I put 1 0 here. Then we will put an arrow so that we will not get confused. Now 53.72, 38.40, then minus them. 2 minus 0 is 2. Clear? 7 minus 4 is 3. Decimal. 3 minus 8 not possible, so we take from 5. 5 become 4. Clear? And this 3 become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 15.32. Clear? Now we do C part. It is having 2 digits after decimal. It is having 3. So we put 1 0 over here. Clear? Then we will subtract. So you always take the number which is after from. So 2.015, then 0.780, minus them. 5 minus 0 is 5. From 1 you can't minus 8. 1 will borrow from 0, but it is already empty. What I do, I take from 2. 2 becomes 1. It becomes 10. 10 will becomes 9. Now it will able to give to next number. So now it becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So it comes 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. Point. 1 minus 0 is 1. So answer is 1.235. Clear? Now we do D part. Again after decimal there are 4 digits and it is having 2. So what I do, I put a 0. And then we do subtraction. Firstly take a biggest number, 4.0100, and down we write 0.3817. Now all are empty, so we take from 1. 1 becomes 10. 0, it becomes 9, because after making it 10 we are taking here 1. Clear? So now it becomes 9. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Clear? 9 minus 1 is 8. Clear? Then from 0 we can't minus, before that number is also 0, so we take from 3. 8 becomes 10, 10 give to 0, it becomes 9. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. Clear? 0.3. So answer is 3.6283. Clear, students? Now we do E part. E part, see, after decimal there are 3 digits and after decimal 1 digit. So what do? You have to make like. So I put 1, 2 zeros. Now from here we will minus. So 3.600. So 3 will come down of second one, 3.1. Now see, both the numbers are 0, so we take from 6, it becomes 5, it becomes 9, and it becomes 10 now. You know now how we do borrow? So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. From 5 we are not able to minus, so we take from this one 3, it becomes 2, it becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 2 minus 3 not possible, so what I do, take from 3, it becomes 2 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, so it becomes 2. Answer is 29.963. Clear? Now we do question number 3. Question number 3 is simplify, means in this both the operation come in, addition and subtraction both come in one question. But keep one thing in mind, always do the operation in the same order as they are given in the question. But you have to convert unlike decimal in a like decimal firstly. So see, it is having 3, it is having 2, it is having 2. So we will put a 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Clear? Now we do in steps. Firstly in step 1 we will plus it. What the answer come, then we will minus it. So step 1. $16.468 3.030 plus them 8 9 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9, then 1. This is the first answer. Then we do step 2. Step 2, from this we have to minus 12.970. So 19.498. We have to minus 12.970. Then we minus them. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. Clear? Then from 4 we are not able to minus, so this 9 will become 8 and it becomes 14. 14 minus 9, it comes 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. Clear? And 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is your answer. Clear? Now we do B part. Again, firstly we convert in a like decimal. 76 means in 76 no number is there and even no decimal is there. But you know that if no decimal is there, we put a decimal at the end. So I have put a decimal at the end, then we add 3 zeros. And other also we add 1 0 because last number is having 3 digits after it. So we write, firstly we do step 1. $76.000, then 31.9 750 plus them. Answer comes 0, 5, 7.710. Clear? Now from here we have to minus 72, 107.750. Clear? Now 72.208. So minus them. From 0 you are not able to minus 8, so you take from 5, it becomes 4 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then put a decimal over here. 7 minus 2 is 5. From 0 you are not able to minus, so you take from 1. It becomes 0 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer will be 35.542. Clear? Now we do C part. Here also step 1. Eight to 9.000. Then we have to do minus first. So 3 to 5.000. So minus them. 000. Point. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now in step 2 you have to plus them. 504.123. Then 21.728. If you plus these numbers, so answer comes 728, because when you add 0 in any number you get the same number. 4 plus 1 is 5. Clear? 0 plus 2 is 2 and 5 will come as it is. So this is your answer. Clear, students? Now we do D part. In D part, firstly we will add them. Clear? So 0.1765. Then 27.4600. It is 4. Now you plus them. 5, 6, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 1 will go as it is. Here 4, 1, 5 and 6.72. This is your plus. Then from here you minus 24.675, but in 675 there should be 4 numbers, so I put a 0 here. So in step 2, 27.6365, you have to minus 24.6750. If you minus them, so if you minus it, 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 7 not possible, you take from 6, it becomes 30 now. 13 minus 7 is 6. Clear? 5 minus 6 not possible, take from 7, 7 becomes 6, it becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Point. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is your final answer. Clear, students? So today, students, you have learned what are decimal numbers, how to operate decimal numbers. Then in operation we have learned how to add and subtract decimal numbers. Means firstly you have to convert unlike decimal numbers into a like decimals. Then after this you have to arrange the decimal number vertically with the decimal point in one line, and then add column wise and subtract column wise. Then you have learned if addition and subtraction both the operation is given in one question, how to simplify it. Means you have to add or subtract in this type of question as the question are given in the order. Clear? So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.